Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. Today I am making another requested balloon garland setup. This theme was requested so many times. It was constantly coming up in my comment section, so I decided to make it happen. So today's theme will be a cowgirl balloon garland setup. I decided to go for all the girly colors, pink in different shades, and I'm excited. I decided to go full force into this setup, create something beautiful and big, and hopefully it will inspire you and help you out in your future parties. I will link and list everything in the description under this video. So without any further ado, let's go. And these are the colors that I am planning to work with today. Lots and lots of pink, starting from the very bottom. Baby pink from Toptics. I have 5 and 24 inches balloons. Moving on to hot pink, 11, 17, and 24. Another pink, just regular pink balloons, 5, 11, 17, and 24. Metallics in deluxe fuchsia, 11, 5, 18, and 36. And last but not least, these cow print balloons from Qualitics. These are 11-inch balloons. Time to inflate our balloons. I am using my electric balloon pump like usual. Since I have 4 colors of pink, I really don't want to mix them up together. I want to work with one color at a time. So here's what I'm doing. I am grabbing 11-inch balloons and inflating 2 balloons at the same time into different sizes. Something like this. This one's a little bit bigger, this one's a little bit smaller. Next step that I am about to show you is absolutely and totally optional. You don't have to do this, but if you like your balloons to be on a rounder shape, then press your balloons against the floor to give your balloons more rounder shape, and then tie your balloons into a pair. I am tying my balloons pretty close together because I need to have nice and long and stretchy necks of balloons, because we will be building our balloon garland with our necks of balloons. Did I tie a knot? Nope. All right, let's do this again. Nice and tight into a pair like this. I won't be inflating just 11-inch balloons into different sizes. I want to mix into 11 inches, 17-inch, and 24-inch balloons to have more variety and have more of an organic feel of my balloon garland. That's why I love to use different sizes of balloons. Let's inflate. As I said, I am working with one color at a time. Done inflating a certain color, I need to cluster my balloons. So I am grabbing 2 different pairs of balloons and intertwining them together. Grabbing another pair, adding, intertwining everything nice and tight together to make sure nothing is going to pop out and go places. One more pair and add into your balloons to create a cluster of balloons like this. This is a bigger size cluster. Bigger size cluster is 4 pairs of balloons intertwined together. You can create smaller size balloons, just add 3 pairs of balloons together. Also, I might be doing some of the quads. Quads are 2 pairs of balloons together. My 24-inch pairs of balloons, I am not mixing in with my 17 and 11-inch balloons. I am grabbing 24-inch pairs of balloons and intertwining them together into a quad, like huge quad, grabbing a 3rd pair and making a smaller cluster. If that makes sense. They're not small whatsoever. Let's finish the rest. I will be doing exactly the same thing what I did with this hot pink to the rest of my balloons. Inflating, pairing, clustering, quadding, I'll just save you some time and skip through all the inflation. Looks like I blew enough balloons for what I need. Hopefully, if not, I can always inflate more and add more into my construction. Now, let's construct a balloon garland. Like usual, I am reaching inside of my cluster of balloons and looking for the longest and stretchiest neck. Doing exactly the same thing to my second cluster of balloons, grabbing those necks and tying those necks together. This is how I will be constructing my balloon garland. I love this technique. It's a lot faster and you don't need any other supplies basically to construct the base of your balloon garland. And this is how these two clusters will look like tied up together. It will hold your balloon garland very nice and tight together. So keep on tying your clusters together until you'll be happy with the length and size of your balloon garland. My balloon garlands, I will be using 1/2 pound command hooks. Make sure you get indoor use command hooks. It will be much more gentle on your paint. I have adjustable command hooks here. I like them for especially ceiling installations. They are great. I have one on this side. I have one in the middle. I will remove it and replace it to hold this balloon garland. Let me quickly show you how I remove command hooks from painted surfaces, because I do receive a lot of comments and questions about how I do it without damaging the paintwork. Well, I like to take this process slowly and be patient. I like to hold my hook in place without pressing. I'm just holding it in place, taking the ear and starting slowly pulling the ear as close as possible to the flat surface. So slowly pulling and holding my hook. And voila. Another question that you often ask me about adjustable command hooks. What's the difference and what's the advantage of an adjustable hook versus a regular hook? As you can see, I placed this hook upside down. There's a reason for it, because if I would have placed this hook upright, how it's supposed to be, if I would pull my ear from the top, I would not have any space to go up and safely remove my hook. So I had to flip my hook upside down, place the ear at the bottom. Now I have space to pull my ear and remove the hook. And if I take the string and tie it to the hook will adjust and it will hold my string very well. I'm using fishing line to attach my balloon garlands to my command hooks. Good so far. It's a start. Definitely now we need to work on it. I want to add a lot more volume over here. I want to fix this part over here, take it probably to the side. I mean, my creativity gets unleashed right here. So is yours. This is the time for you to create and be you. So let's go. Let's attach our extra balloon clusters. This is kind of important. I didn't mention, but I constructed these two balloon garlands with only two colors for now. I used hot pink and regular pink balloons. So now I want to fill in spaces with the same colors and then add different colors of pink on top of all this. 24-inch balloons to my garland with 260, because necks of balloons from 24-inch balloons are not stretchy enough to stretch and for me to tie it to the balloon garland. So let's go. So you guys, I am starting this day by inflating 5-inch balloons. I paired them, now grabbing 2 pairs and quadding them, intertwining 2 pairs of balloons together into something like this, finding the neck of this little quad, grabbing my second quad, finding the neck there as well, and tying these 2 quads together. This way I will be creating a 5-inch mini balloon garlands, and I want to include them into my bigger size balloon garlands. So the base looks pretty good. I like what I see. Before I'll go and I'll finish my balloon garlands, I quickly wanted to address something. I just told you that I liked what I did with the spot of my balloon garland. And I told you why. I told you that I like to use certain techniques, certain supplies, and I use a lot of I like. So with that being said, in my recent videos, I received a comment. I'm usually mute to all the hate comments, but this one's different. I don't hold a grudge whatsoever, but it's a good one to point out. So this person said, can you stop talking so much about what you like, get to the point. So one of my subscribers, her name is Lucy, thank you so much for the comment. She commented, literally took my thoughts and put it into words. So her reply was, what she likes is called experience. What she doesn't like is also experience. That's how you teach and give tips. Thank you. I can't teach you when I don't have an experience. I like to tell you what I like so you guys can benefit from it and see why I like it and why I don't like it. So, that being said, I am grabbing my cow printed balloons. I inflated them individually and tied them individually. I tried to inflate them into different sizes. I will be using my glue dashes to attach these cow printed balloons on my balloon garlands. And yeah, let's finish this up. I'm excited how it's going to look with these guys on my balloon garland. Looking nice and beautiful, but I really want to put some flowers in and try to elevate this balloon garland even more. This is what I have for you guys today. This is my final balloon garland setup for you guys, inspired by Cowgirl. Absolutely love all the different shades of pink, all the sizes. These cow balloons, they add so much into this balloon garland. They transform this whole setup into something totally different. That's why I like to use something very special, something very unique on every balloon garland that I make. It makes a lot of difference. So also absolutely love the bunches of flowers that I included in both of my balloon garlands. Flowers, I bought them from Hobby Lobby, Walmart, different places. They're all kind of bunched in one bunch and they look beautiful. Love the pop of a yellow color, and being a cowgirl theme, flowers I feel like fit into this whole idea very well. So don't know how many balloons I used. I used necks of balloons to construct this whole thing. I used glue dashes, rubber bands, and 260s. I like to use 260s whenever I need to attach anything or something to my bigger balloons, because rubber bands are not stretchy enough and necks are not as stretchy in my 24-inch balloons, and it's basically impossible to tie the necks of balloons together. I used command hooks to attach these two beauties, and everything will be linked and listed in the description under this video. And this this is it, you guys. This is what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. If it was, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. They always help. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will try my best to help you out. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down below for more videos. I hope you all will have a wonderful day and I will see you back very soon. Bye.